Good morning. I am just a little bit outside of the campsite. Stopped at this little waterfall here. See if you can see it without me turning around the camera. Anyway, crossing the little bridge. We're going to keep going to a junction where the trail crosses the VCT, the Virginia Creeper Trail, and walk on that for a little bit, and then they merge back together again. So looking forward to a little bit flatter area. Having a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Trail going along here. And then this is the water you're walking next to. Beautiful country. I didn't know what a rhododendron was when I started this hike. Now I know what they are. I watched them bloom and fill a mountainside with them. Incredible. Just walking across another one of these bridges. I think this is number 36. I don't think I ever get tired of them. Just a switch from what I've been used to, and the water is just incredible. So originally I thought these were mile markers. Actually it's number 35. Bridge number 35. Again, right along the path, the water on the left. This bridge is huge, both in height and length. Just some massive trees. You guys are probably getting sick of the waterfalls or the streams, so showing you something a little different. Let me tell you a joke I heard. Basically, if you're fat, overweight, and you want a quick breath of fresh air, you bring a pair of binoculars and you act like you're looking at something, and people don't question why you're breathing so hard, or they just think you're looking at something. So I think it works out well that I stop every now and again and film some rivers, streams, or in this case some really tall trees, and check them out. So I am taking a break because right now we're headed uphill and we need a little break. Keep moving along, keep trekking. So I just got done hiking through this field. When I got to the gate on the other side, there was some black beast laying down, and I was so excited to see the ponies. I know I'm another 8 miles away, but I was so looking forward to them, and I talked to a southbounder who said they're waiting at the gate. Well, I saw some big cows, little baby cows, so they were nice, but I am so looking forward to the ponies. They're coming up soon. Stay tuned.